Are you having trouble with your phone number on the Alibaba app? If you can't add your phone number, change it, verify it, or receive the verification code, these troubleshooting steps may help. In this video, I will show you how to fix phone number on Alibaba app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Alibaba. Then here on this page, you will go to Alibaba app. In this window, you will move to settings. Here on this page, what we will find is your profile. We'll tap here. And then this page of your profile, you will find phone number. And here in your phone number, or in this page here, you will find to get or to receive a message on your email, and then you will add your phone. So please